Good morning everyone. Welcome to PRK Maths class. So today I am here with the topic of sum of the n natural numbers. So we have mainly three formulas we use here. This is the sum of the n natural number. This is the sum of the square of the n natural number. This is sum of the cube of the n natural number. So now let me solve the first example. So here Sn is equal to, let's take the summation we use to add the numbers 1 to n I here. So now let's add all the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n terms. Okay, now I'm going to write this as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, I'm just going to split here n minus 2 plus n minus 1 plus n. Okay, now let's consider this as a equation 1. Now I'm going to write this in a reverse direction. There is no any changes, just I'm writing in the reverse direction. This one is a n, this is n minus 1, this is n minus 2, like this, 3 plus 2 plus 1. This one is equation 2. Okay, now let me add these two equations. When you add these two equations, then it will become 2 times of I is equal to 1 to n. The summation of I is equal to, this 1 plus n is a n plus 1 plus 2 plus n minus 1 is n plus 1, like this. Here also the n minus 2 plus 3 is n plus 1 plus n minus 1 plus 2 is a n plus 1 plus this one is n plus 1 is n plus 1, like this. We got all the n plus 1 values here. So totally how many n plus 1 are there? N times of n plus 1 are there. So we have to write here as n into n plus 1. Here this is 2 into I is equal to 1 to n I. Okay, here we bring this to this side. This one is I is equal to 1 to n times I is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So as we know, this one is a Sn. So finally we got the equation for sum of the n natural number is Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, now I'm going to take one example from 1 to 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10, adding these 10 numbers. Okay, we use the formula we got there, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 into 11 is equal to 55. So finally we solved both the derivation and one example on sum of the n natural numbers. So now let's move towards the sum of the square of the n natural number. So now let me solve the second example, the sum of the square of the n natural numbers, that is Sn square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. So we have the derivation here. First we have to consider a plus b whole cube formula. As we know, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. We have to take here n plus 1 whole cube for our convenient. Here it is n cube plus 1 cube plus 3n square into 1 plus 3 1 into n 3 into n. Okay, now this one is n plus 1 whole cube is equal to n cube plus 1 plus 3n square plus 3n. Now let's shift this n cube this side. This is n plus 1 whole cube minus n cube is equal to 3n square plus 3n plus 1. Okay, now let's put some values for n. For n is equal to 1, we have this 1 plus 1 2 cube minus 1 means 1 cube is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 1. Like that, for n is equal to 2, this is 3 cube minus 2 cube is equal to 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 1. Like this, n is equal to n if we take, then it is n plus 1 cube minus n cube is equal to 3 into n square plus 3 into n plus 1. So now let's add all these equations. When we add all these equations, then all these numbers will going to be deleted, because after adding the plus minus everything will be goes to delete. Now we will have n plus 1 whole cube minus 1 cube left this side. So here this side we will have adding the right side equations. So 3 is common here, so let's 3 is common. Then 1 square plus 2 square up to n square, we have summation of I is equal to 1 to n I square. Okay, plus let's take again 3 common here, and we have to take the summation I is equal to 1 to n terms of I, plus the total sum of 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms is n. Okay, let's do this here this side. Now we have this equation. Now let me expand this equation. This is n cube plus 1 cube plus 3n square plus 3 into n minus 1 cube is 1 is equal to 3 into this equation summation I is equal to 1 to n of I square plus 3 into summation of I is equal to 1 to n of I plus n. Okay, now let's put this n cube plus 3n square plus 3n, this one will be cancelled. Then let's put it like this only, n I square. This one is, as we have solved in the previous example, this one will become n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, plus this n. Now we have to shift this n this side, then it will become n cube plus 3n square plus 2n is equal to 3 into summation of I is equal to 1 to n I square plus 3 into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, now let's bring this one to this side. This one is n cube plus 3n square plus 2n minus 3 into n plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 into summation of I equal to 1 to n of I square. Now this one is, and write like this, okay, then minus 3 into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 is equal to 3 into summation of I is equal to 1 to n I square. Okay, then we have 2 into, we have to take the common of n here, n into this one is n square plus 3n plus 2. Okay, now this one is minus 3 of n into n plus 1. This one is whole divided by 2. Okay, now it is equal to 3 into summation of I equal to 1 to n into I, and now let's apply one more bracket here. This is 2 into n into, here we have to do a quadratic equation. This will become n plus 1 into n plus 2. So then this one is minus 3 into n plus 1. Here whole divided by 2 is equal to 3 into summation I is equal to 1 to n of I square. Here also is I square. Okay, now this is, we have to take the common of n into n plus 1 here. So here if we take n into n plus 1 common, then what we have left here, 2 into n plus 2, 2 into n plus 2 minus 3. Okay, this one is whole divided by 2. Now we have to multiply these numbers, so I am doing this side, that is n into n plus 1 inside, that is 2n plus 4 minus 3 whole divided by 2 is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to n of I square, then n into n plus 1 into, this is 4 minus 1, sorry 4 minus 3, 1, this is 2n plus 1, here we have 3, so this is divided by 2 is equal to 3 into summation of I is equal to 1 to n of I square. We have to shift this 3 to this side, so this one and this one we have to exchange both of these. This one is I is equal to 1 to n I square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by, this 3 into 2 is a 6. So we know this is Sn square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Finally we got the answer for sum of the square of natural numbers. So let's solve one example on this. Let's take the example from 1 to 20. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 20 square, and we have to use this formula here, and this is a 20 into 20 plus 1 into 2 into 20 plus 1 whole divided by 6. Okay, then 20 into 21 into 41 whole divided by 6. 2 3s are 2 10s, 3 1s are 3 7s. Okay, now 41 into 10, 4 10 into 7. So we have to multiply this. 7 0 7 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 2 8 So total answer is 2870. So we have solved the both equations for sum of the n natural numbers and sum of the square of the n natural numbers. Now let's move forward to solve the sum of the cube of the n natural numbers. Actually, we don't want to derive the cube of the n natural number. We know the sum of the n natural number formula, so there is a small modification. Okay, as we know, the sum of the n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and for the cube of the natural number is, there is not much difference, just modify by making square on this. Now I am going to verify by solving two examples. Suppose if we take the example from 1 to 3, here we use sum of the n natural numbers for 3 terms is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Suppose we take the same term for sum of the cube of the n natural numbers, then we have 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. Totally this is 1 plus 8 plus 27. This is 36. So 36 is the square of 6. Okay, and another example. This one is the first example. Now let's take another example. Up to 4 terms. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Totally this is 10. And for sum of the cube of the natural numbers is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. This is total 36 plus extra 4 cube. This is 4 cube means this is 64. This is 100. So 100 is a square of 10. Okay guys, now I am going to make you understand of two another important formulas, and those are sum of the odd natural numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus up to n terms will be equal to n square. Now I am going to prove this. For an example, if you take n is equal to 4, then up to 4 terms 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 will be equal to 16. So sorry, this one is not 5, this one is a 7. Okay, total 16. It is n square is 4 square. Okay, and to verify this I am going to take another example. N is equal to 6, then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, then totally this will be 36. It is 6 square, n square, as we have equation here. And another important equation is the sum of the even natural numbers, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus up to 2n. Here we have to take the common of 2, then we will have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n terms inside the bracket, then it will be 2 into, as we know the formula of the sum of the natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. 2 will be cancelled, then we will have n into n plus 1 left. So I hope every one of you understood this concept very well. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and keep supporting. Thank you.